Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Lailatul Qadriyah. You can call me Laila. Today I will explain about present tense and past tense. Let's see my video. Okay guys, before it, what the meaning of tense? Tense is form of verb which show the event or action. And I will explain two tense, namely present tense and number two past tense. Number one is present tense. Present tense there is four types, namely simple present tense, present progressive or present continuous, and number three is present perfect, and number four present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous. Number one is simple present tense. The function of simple present tense is to express about daily activity. For example, I always eat rice every day. And number two is to state a general truth. For example, there are 12 months in a year, and others. Okay, the formula is for positive statement is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object, and for negative statement is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object, and for the interrogative statement is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question word. Example for the formula is for positive statement is she always gives me money, and negative statement is she doesn't always give me money, and the interrogative statement is does she always give me money? To use do or does, I will explain about it. Do for I, you, we, they, and does for she, he, it, or name of person. Okay, next I will explain about to use question word for asking about subject, object, and verb. The formula for asking subject is question word plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object plus question mark. For example, usually question word for asking about subject is what or who. For example, who always gives me money. Next, for asking about object, the formula is question word plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. Example is what does she always give me, and the last is for asking about verb. The formula is question word plus do or does plus subject plus do plus question mark. Example, what does she do? Number two is present continuous. For the formula is positive statement is subject plus to be is mr plus verb in plus object, And negative statement is subject plus to be is MR plus not plus verb ing plus object. And interrogative statement is to be is MR plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus question mark. Example, Naura is learning English now. Negative statement is Naura is not learning English now. And the interrogative statement is Naura learning English now? Okay, if you already understand simple present and present continuous, then it will be easy because they are all the same but different in the use of to be and verb. Okay, second tense is past tense. Past tense there is 4 type, namely simple past tense, past progressive, past perfect, and the last is past perfect progressive tense. And simple past tense to state activities that occurred in the past with clear time information. The formula of simple past tense is the positive statement is subject plus verb to plus object, and negative statement is subject plus did plus not this plus verb 1 plus object, and the last is interrogative statement is did and did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, for example, Laila went to abroad last year. Negative statement is Laila didn't go to abroad last year. And the interrogative statement is did Laila go to abroad last year? Okay, the next is past progressive or past continuous. And the formula is for positive statement is subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object, and negative statement is subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing plus object, and the last is interrogative statement is was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example, my father was working in the office at 7 o'clock yesterday. Negative statement is my father was not working in the office at 7 o'clock yesterday. And the last is interrogative statement is was my father working in the office at 7 o'clock yesterday? Okay, maybe just it. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.